vlog. I'm so excited kasi mag-share na naman ako ng bagong dish sa inyo. And this is a healthy and delicious dish again. So, natutunan ko to sa Afamia. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell for more videos. So, let's do this! For the ingredients, I'm going to use the Hungarian sausage, vegetables, baby potatoes, and carrots, minced garlic and red onion, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1 teaspoon of thyme, 2 tablespoons of butter, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of black pepper, olive oil, flour, and the beef broth. Okay, so first thing to do is I'm going to mix the vegetables and yung mga seasoning into this bowl. Okay? Pakita mo naman na sumusubong.
Tikman ko.
Sige, go. Ano masasabi mo?
Ang sarap!
Para sabi napilitan, sis.
Hindi.
Ano masabi mo?
Sobrang mapilikan ako sa food. Kaso, ito okay siya.
Really?
Tsaka
Ikaw,
okay.
TJ, anong lasa?
Malambot yung patatas.
Sarap.
Sarap? Hindi salty?
Hindi naman.
Wow! Ayan.